All right, this is Stitch. He's going to show us how to flip a little. What a beautiful knife that is. Sweetness. Why don't you take a bow for us so we can see you? Man, you are awesome.
Thanks much. 5 years of practice got me good. That's a Debreski, by the way.
That is sweet. And what's your YouTube channel?
My YouTube channel is Honor Her. That's HONORHER. And you know, I got a bunch of videos up. You can check them up. One of the most popular videos apparently is I just hit like 7,000 views on it, maybe a little more. Is a video I got named Dead Star. What it is it's just a standard flipping video, and it's actually using this knife right here, the Bradley Camara 6, the K6 as it's more commonly known. But check it out. Give my channel a look.
Sweet. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it.
No problem.
Let's take a bow for us so we can see it.